Hi, my name is Isabel and this is a video about how to make learning online more accessible. Firstly, it's important to remember that everyone has a different learning style, and as a result, you will sometimes need to make adjustments to your computer, laptop, phone or tablet to make it easier to access learning opportunities online. This can be especially relevant if you have a disability or neurodiversity. However, you may not have been diagnosed as having one of these and still find it useful to make accessible adjustments to your digital device. It's worth exploring all options to make your studies more accessible and therefore a little easier. There are some great resources on the internet which you can access to help you do this. We recommend a website called My Computer My Way. My Computer My Way offers a lot of advice about how to make your digital device easier for you to use. It concentrates on the following areas. Firstly, vision, and this includes the following: magnifying the screen, making your mouse pointer easier to see, making your device talk to you, and changing the colours you see on your screen. The second section is on hearing and will cover information on the following: audio captions and subtitles, sound amplifiers, and audio in mono so that it amplifies in one ear via headphones. The third is about motor. For example, how to use your keyboard instead of a mouse, talking to your device using voice recognition, and tips on reducing sensitivity to motion and movement. The last section covered in My Computer My Way is cognitive, which includes making text larger, changing fonts, changing colours, hiding distracting content, and creating text shortcuts for words you frequently misspell. My Computer My Way is a great resource with step-by-step guidance for how to set up your device to make it more accessible. They also offer a free helpline if you'd like some over-the-phone help, or you can always email them. Take a look at the description below this video for links to their website. If you are accessing events and workshops with the Access and Engagement Department, do let us know if there's anything we can do to make our events more accessible to you. When you sign up to one of our events, we will ask if there are any adjustments that need to be made. For example, you can ask us to send files to you in a larger font, or we can provide a BSL interpreter, though we do need some notice for this. We try to make our events and resources like this video as accessible as possible, so do let us know if you think there is something we could do better. When you get to Birkbeck, there will also be a lot of support available to you. We recommend speaking to the Disability and Dyslexia Service to find out more about support available for Birkbeck students and whether you may be eligible for Disabled Students Allowance. Also, take a look at the Breaking Barriers Kit workshop, available to book through Study Skills once you have enrolled, and speak to the Birkbeck Library staff who have a lot of experience with supporting students with a variety of different learning needs. If you want to find out more, check out the Access Engagement Moodle page. Thank you.